share my favorite pancake recipe. You will need flour, sugar, salt, oil, egg, butter, and milk. First, mix the flour and milk. Add 1 egg, salt, oil, sugar, and mix well. Use butter for frying. Put some of your pancake mixture. After a few seconds, then flip. Can you see the nice golden brown color? Ta-da! You can add any fruits that you like. This is yummy. I hope you will like it. Subscribe!